Hello, thanks for watching the video. So I wanted to get a battery for this car. This is a 97 Camry, and I wanted to get one from Walmart for the first time ever. This battery is almost 7 years old at 12/17, and it's 2024 now, and this battery still starts, car still starts very good. Haven't had any problems with it, but I don't want to get stranded. So we're going to go to Walmart tonight when there's no lines, no crowds, and hopefully just find one off the shelf and just go to the checkout counter and be finished. I'm not sure it's going to go that smooth because I'm not sure about the core, the exchange, or that kind of thing, but hopefully we can find out. The only thing about going to this Walmart at nighttime is the employees don't speak English, so if I do have any questions, I'm not going to be able to get them answered. But we're just gonna see what happens. Yeah, I'm not even going to be taking this battery back at the same time. I'm going to go in another vehicle and get the battery and just put it in and then take this back at another date. I'm not sure how they do that or where to go to take it, so maybe we can find that information out. Probably have to talk to a manager to get that information. But yeah, let's measure this now and then we'll get ready to go tonight for this first time Walmart battery experience. So I want to show you another reason I'm going to Walmart. Here we are with AutoZone. I found that AutoZone is pretty reasonably priced with the other parts stores. Alright, so my car for that 97 Camry, 750 cold cranking amps, is $209. Now I'm sure and you get a $22 refundable core deposit. I don't need 750 because I'm in a southern state. 640 cold crank amps, $209. 550. I could probably get away with 550. That's 179. That's just totally outrageous. We got another one here. 600. It would be nice. That's 179. So I'm positive Walmart's gonna destroy this price here. So let's go measure the battery. Okay, we got our tape measure here. I'm going to make some measurements. Before I do that, I want to say on the prices that you saw and that you will see in the store for batteries, that price is if you do the swap. If you bring your old battery in and give that to them, then you'll get the prices that you saw. If you don't have your old battery or you don't have a battery to change out, or it's called a core exchange with the new battery, then you're going to pay even more than the prices that you see, or the prices that you saw online. With Walmart, I think the core is $12 or $12.50. So, like I said, I think earlier, I'm not going to bring the battery with me. I'm just going to bring it back later after I make the purchase. So in that case, whatever I see in the store at Walmart, the Walmart price, it's going to be like $12 or $12.50 more. So I'm expecting to do that. We're going to do the length, and I'm going to write this down on a piece of paper, probably off camera, but so you can see this is like right around like right at 10 inches. And then we'll do the width of it as well. Okay, and I'll record that, and also the depth of the battery. So I'll have all these measurements when I get to Walmart. All right, this is important also. Some batteries have their post in the center. I don't want mine in the center. It's not going to fit in this car because I don't have a lot of cable here to reach in the center. So mine has to be right here. But yeah, that's important that we make sure that the posts are where the old battery is at the same. They match up. All right, so I'm going to write this stuff down on a piece of paper, and I'll get right back. And I did write them down off camera. Here they are, putting it in my pocket, and we're going to go to Walmart. Here we are now in Walmart. They have a ton of batteries. They're EverStart batteries. This is in the sporting goods section. There is a book here to find your battery. I did not look in the book. There's a little kiosk I'll show you in just a second here. These are also for cars, trucks, van, SUV, motorcycle, scooters, go-kart, ATVs. They're also for lawnmowers. So finding the car here, going to T for Toyota. It's not on the list, so there should be there's more. I'm going to go to Toyota there. Now for the year, mine's a 97. And 2.2, it's a 4-cylinder, which is, well, what I have. Here's the option for batteries. EverStart Max 24F. There's a Max 35N. Prices are the same for cold cranking amps. 109 for the 600, which is what I really wanted. There's a 525. It was 109. There was a 640 cold cranking amps. That was 139. So I don't really need that much. Forgot my tape measure, so I went to the hardware department, grabbed a tape measure to do the measuring for my little post-it note earlier. Date on that battery is 10/24. Like a month old. This battery is turning out to be very good for me. Last measurement is at the post here. It was 1.5 inch from the back there to the middle of the post, which is just like the old one was that I had. All right. Now I'm putting the tape measure back. We're going to go check out. All right, here I am in the parking lot. Took about 20 minutes. They told me to return my old one to the customer service with the receipt, and I'll be able to get a core charge. I think it was $12 or $12.50. So very simple to do by yourself. Auto Center does not have to be open to do this. Okay, so yeah, and this one has a handle, very good. Okay, got an update now. Here's the new battery in the car. Everything went well, fits very good. If you do have shims on your old battery, like I did, make sure that you take them off to fill the space. And you can see you're gonna have to get this way down on the post to be able to tighten it really good. So I don't even really have any space here anymore, so we are good. But yeah, it's great, it's perfect. I wanted to point out that you need to save the receipt for returning your old battery. Also wanted to show you what the price was on this. So yeah, it was $109, and then the $12 core fee. I paid $7.31 in tax, so the total was $129.07. I will be returning the core. The other receipt they gave me was just telling me the instructions. Automotive battery return requirements. Receipt is necessary to validate the date of purchase for warranty adjustments. So yeah, save both of these and bring them, or at least save the receipt, the main receipt. I think you could probably do that just with the receipt. So anyway, thank you for watching the video. How to buy a battery from Walmart by yourself without any help. Very easy, simple to do. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.